Test. Okay. Can you guys hear me? Hello, hi. Okay. Welcome to the kitchen. That's right, you've decided to step into the kitchen with Chef Buffson. Alright. Ooh, I like the sound of the pasta. Oh, pizza pie. With the plate. Put it in the plate. The pasta fell on the floor. Oh. Ah! I think I'm gonna change the camera angle for this next one. Oh god, I've got a bunch of stuff on the floor. Don't look! It's ready. Oh. Ah! You guys wanna watch me juggle? Alright, next! Look at it. Look at this guy. Look at his smug face. Look at his. Fuck you. Missed. I'll do it. Oh, this is stressful. This is working in a restaurant stressful. This is why you always tip. I always tip. I don't know about you guys. Some countries you don't have to tip, you know, but you always tip Buffson, because if not, you see this? This will be your blood if you don't tip the chef. All right, here you go. Ding 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 ding. Take the fucking food. It's ready. Shit. Ow. Tasty. Okay. All right. Well, I'll see you guys soon. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna go eat some real food because actually